students, 8th standard, General Science. Now today we meet for activity of 5th and 6th day. Standard A. Today we study about the properties of air, natural resources. Among them, the properties of air, and for this we refer the third unit of standard 7. Now, air has a mass and weight. Air has the atmospheric pressure, and that pressure decreases when we go high above the sea level. And Bernoulli's principle is that when the speed of air increases, the pressure of air decreases. Then speed of air decreases, then atmospheric pressure is increases. Scattering of light because of air mixture. The air has different gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, dust particle, water vapor, and because of that particles, when light rays fall on that particle scatter the light in all directions, and because of that we get a visible or that daylight or object get visible because of the scattering of light. And that air is useful medium for propagation of sound, and also earth becomes suitable for all living organisms. That means our temperature, that temperature gets suitable because of that mixture of gases in atmosphere. That gases, when light rays come from to the sun to the earth surface, and that because that heat is absorbed by that particles of that atmosphere, and because of that earth surface get warm, and therefore which is that temperature is suitable for all living organisms because of air and humidity. In air mixture of air, there is a mixture of water vapor. That proportion of water vapor is known as humidity. When we take ice cubes in one glass, and if you observe the outermost surface of that glass, after some time that surface of glass get accumulate with the water drops. That water drops are, there is a condensation of that water vapor which is present in the atmosphere around that glass. Because of low temperature, that water vapor gets condensed and which accumulate on the outermost surface of the glass. Now we observe some simple experiments and verified that some properties. See that in next videos. We study about the first property of air, that is air has a mass and value, and we prove it by using balance weighing machine. That is, we take one balance weighing machine. First of all, we make it balance on both sides. That arrow shows that both sides of the weighing machine is balanced, and if we flow air on any one side, on that side that machine gets downward in a downward direction because of weight of air or mass of air. If we blow air on the left hand side, that is, properly observe that all of you see that air on the left hand side, when we blow the air on the left hand side, that weighing machine get downward to that side, left hand side. If we blow air on the right hand side, that weighing machine get downward on right hand side. That proves that the air has mass as well as. Now next property of air is that when speed of air increases, the pressure of air decreases. When speed of air decreases, then atmospheric pressure get increases. For this, it is we prove by a simple experiment. For this, we take beaker, one beaker of water, and these two straws, two different straws like that. One straw we dip in water beaker like that, hold it, and by using the second straw, we increases the speed of air in the contact of that surface, second end of the that straw like that, and observe that what will happen. Again, now to study the next property of air, that is the atmospheric pressure is more at the ground surface, and when we goes above from the ground of earth surface, then atmospheric pressure get decreases. For this, how that is, for this we correlate that property with that behavior of water pressure. If we take such a bottle like that bottle, and if we dip that some object like that, now in that case at the upper level of water, the water which is above that object, that weight of that water, and in second stage, if we dip that object at the bottom of that object, in that case the weight of water on the above that object is very more as compared to first level. In that level the weight of water is less around that object, and at the bottom weight of water is very more as compared to first level, upper level, first level. Similarly, in case of air, at the weight of air is more at the ground stage of the object, and therefore the atmospheric pressure is greater at the ground level. And when we goes above, suppose we go at a mountain, in that case the weight of air above that object get decreases, that therefore the atmospheric pressure get decreases at the upper level.